In this video, we will learn about sublimation. Most solids on heating change into liquid. However, there are certain solids which on heating directly convert into gaseous vapor state. Such type of conversion of solid directly into vapor is called sublimation. Thus, sublimation is the process of transformation of a substance on heating directly from solid state to gaseous state without passing through intermediate liquid state. You might have noticed that naphthalene balls used to protect woolen clothes from insect directly change into vapor form, and with passage of time the size of naphthalene balls becomes smaller. This is on account of sublimation of naphthalene balls at room temperature itself. That means naphthalene balls get directly converted into vapor state from the solid state, and this process is called as sublimation. Some other common examples of substances undergoing sublimation on heating are camphor, ammonium chloride, iodine, solid carbon dioxide, also known as dry ice. Solids which undergo sublimation are called sublimate and their gaseous state is called sublime. During sublimation process, the sublimate solid absorbs some heat which is known as the latent heat of sublimation. Here we have a process. We can see that solid is getting converted into vapor or gaseous state directly, and the process is called as sublimation. In this process, heat is absorbed. Solid is called as sublimate, whereas the vapor or gaseous state of the substance is called as sublime. Solid carbon dioxide is also known as dry ice because it appears like ice. We can observe it over here. It directly passes from solid state to gaseous state due to sublimation. So this is dry ice, and here we can see the gaseous state. And this is due to the process of sublimation in which solid state directly converts into gaseous state. On account of its sublimation property, dry ice is used as refrigerant during transportation of perishable food items, meat products, and fish. The next process is deposition. Deposition is the reverse process of sublimation, and hence it is also known as desublimation process. Thus, deposition is the process of direct transition of a substance from its gaseous state on cooling into solid state. It does not pass through the intermediate liquid state. During deposition process, the gaseous substance release heat to the surrounding. Here we have already seen that solid gets converted into the vapor state by the process of sublimation, and in the process it absorbs heat. Now, if the vapor state gets converted into solid state directly without the intermediate liquid state, the process is called as deposition, and in the process of deposition heat is released. To demonstrate the phenomena of sublimation and deposition, let's perform the following activity. The aim of the activity is to demonstrate the processes of sublimation and deposition. Materials required are a china dish, a glass funnel, ammonium chloride, a tripod stand, a wire mesh, a burner, and a piece of cotton. Let's understand the procedure. Take a small quantity of ammonium chloride, crush it, and put it in a china dish. Now put the china dish on wire mesh placed on tripod stand and fix a burner below the wire mesh. Now put an inverted glass funnel over the china dish and plug the stem of the funnel with a piece of cotton as shown in figure. Now put the burner on so that the arrangement is heated slowly. Observe carefully. So here we have the experimental setup. This is the tripod stand. This is the burner. Here we have wire mesh. This is the china dish, and inside the china dish we have solid ammonium chloride. This is the inverted glass funnel whose stem is plugged with the piece of cotton. The observation is you will observe fumes, that is vapors of ammonium chloride in and above the china dish. You will also observe a thin layer of ammonium chloride formed on the inner wall of the funnel. Guess why? The conclusion is on heating ammonium chloride, it is directly converted into vapor form, that is sublimation has taken place. These vapors on moving upward cool and thus solidify again, and they are deposited on the inner wall of the funnel. That is, the process of deposition has taken place. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.